What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For new members, you're welcome. I'm glad to have you on the channel. So the idea of this video is just to show how I will trade the levels that I usually share within our group. Now, today in particular is kind of different because in the morning I couldn't really take trades because you can see the market was just moving in one direction mostly, and I didn't want to trade against the trend. So the same thing happened on GU also. The market was just moving in one direction mostly. So I'm going to try to take some trades this afternoon between okay, the time right now is about I'm going to take it on demo anyway. What I'll try and do is probably try and just place some losing trades so that this demo balance comes down, so that I use a sample. If you're a small trader, how I will go about it. Okay, I already have a level around here. Like the market is actually approaching that level. This place here. This is normally this is not a special level, but we have a 30 minutes support here, and we also have a 15 minutes level just around here. So that place is like a zone. So if the market falls into this zone, I'll place it back. For EU, I don't have any 30 minutes level. The 30 minutes, there's no, but I just have zones of 15 minutes. The first zone level I have is around here. I think I even forgot to put that 10, 19. Okay, I was actually just writing down the levels, but I haven't actually turned them into alerts. I haven't even posted this in the group, but this is just like a personal trading I want to do. I post in the group every day, so let me turn that into an alert. Okay, so that puts that around here for this zone. So we have a 30 minute support there, and we also have a 15 minutes around there. So, and they are close. That's why I'm considering taking them. There are really no special levels so far this afternoon. So it's kind of a little bit hard. On 4 hours, the market just has been moving just basically in one direction. So it's kind of hard to actually pick trades. So our trade, let's say the time right now is about my own time, even though it's showing 2 here. My own time is showing about 3:20 right now. I think on Quotex it shows yeah, it's about 3:20. I'll probably pause the video now, then when the opportunity comes, I'll take them and show you exactly what I was doing. Okay, so like I said I'll take some trades to reduce the balance on the demo account. So I purposely took some loss trades. So we now have it around 162. So I'm still waiting for an opportunity. I haven't seen any yet. Still looking at the charts, Euro USD. So I'll just once again pause and wait. When I see the opportunity, I start recording again. Okay, so the market just moved quite close to the level, so I still have my eyes on it. Pound USD just moved very close to the level, so I'm still looking at it. It looks like any moment from now it should get there, and you can see how well correlated it is with Euro USD, also pushing right down to the 15 minutes level. Even though that's not the strongest of levels, but I usually just try to stick with the special levels anyway. Okay, let's close. Two of them are closed. I would love a situation whereby this gets here and this gets here at about the same time. So I'm gonna keep watching. I think I'll probably pause the video again because I don't know if it take some time. Okay, before I pause the video, let me just see. Okay, it seems we're there. So what I'll do, I'll switch to 1 minute. It seems we're already there. Now while I'm switching to 1 minute, I want to see exactly how it happens in 1 minute. I want to see exactly how it touches it in 1 minute. You understand? Because on the Quotex side, okay, it has touched it. So if let's say you had an account like this that's about $100 and something or even $50, let me even use if you had $50. A trade like this, put maybe $5. You wait for this level here to get to 59 seconds. So now it has hit a support. When it gets to 59 seconds, we buy. So I've entered in for a buy trade now. So it's now pushing back up. If you notice here, you can see it's pushing back up. You get. Now if I look at this in 15 minutes level, we'll see that it's just in a zone there. So this kind of trade is the type that I kind of try to maybe take it once or twice. Now To be specific on the exact price I entered, this place here is where you can check that. This place, 24732. Okay, 732. So that's the exact price. So I can be looking at that here. So if that doesn't work, I can now double this while I'm watching this for 59 seconds. You get, I know my exact price. If at 59 is at my exact price or above, then I win the trade. Okay, I won the trade. So that way I've made a profit of about 4 point something dollars. So that's just it. That's just it. You just wait for the good opportunities. Why can't you take one or two of them like that? You have made about $10 and you can stop trading. You can withdraw the money and go do what you want to do. You just need about one or two if you have a fairly decent account. Now, as a beginner, I won't advise that you take, let's say it hits a level like this as you saw. I won't advise that, let's say if it had pulled down one more time, I won't advise that you take it more than 2 times. If you take it the first time, it doesn't work, and maybe you're trying to use martingale, double it, don't take it more than that. Just take it and stop there. So what I'll try and do is that, okay, this is now about 340. So I'm going to wait, for another 1 hour. If I can find one more opportunity, I'll take that again just to show you further exactly how it happens in real time. Okay, even though I'm trying to make the video not so long, I needed to just quickly mention something. Now, on the chart, the general trend is bullish, but right now the market is like retracing. Now, it just hit a 15 minutes level on Euro USD. So there's a 15 minute support here, there's a 15 minute support here. So now I didn't trade this one per se, but if the market comes down to this, I take this and this level. And the reason is this: if we go to 5 minutes chart, we can see that there's a 5 minute support here, but it has already been breached, so it's not really a perfect one. There's a single 5 minutes here, but if we look at it, this section here, we can see that we have 5 minutes support here colliding with 15 minutes, and the same thing happens here also. So that's the reason why I'm thinking I'm going to take these levels and this. However, on GU, I observe the same thing too. This is a 15 minute support, 15 minute support. And go to 5 minutes, you can see that the 5 minutes is collides and this collides also. But this 5 minutes doesn't collide. This one doesn't collide. Okay, so that's for that. So I don't want to make the video so long. So when the opportunity comes, you can see it clearer here. When the opportunity comes, I'll just hop in and take the trade, then we'll see how it goes. Okay, so the euro trade later played out, but I missed it. I left where I was and then I went a little bit far. But I just want to show you what happened. You can see that it declined to that point. You can see where it is. So let's go to 1 minute and you see exactly how it played out. So that would have been a trade. When you're trading, you just have to be dedicated and give it time and attention. So you can see how it fell right to it, ended as a sell, just touching it, and the next one was a buy. So if you are taking a buy here, you'd have won the trade. So it's that simple. That's just how it works. That is just how it works. You can see if I didn't draw this thing before ahead of time, it looks as if I'm just drawing it now. You can see it's literally perfect. These levels work perfectly and you can use them. So I hope the video has been of benefit to you. If it has, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. And sure to watch some of my other videos about where I trade live and share more about strategies. Some should be popping up now. See ya.